An input device is a peripheral device used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system such as computer. Input and output devices make up the computer hardware interface between computer. Following are some input devices: keyboard, mouse, game controller, scanner, digital camera, microphones, touchpads, and etc. Let us discuss these devices. First of all, keyboard. It is a typewriter keyboard which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as mechanical levers or electronic switches. With the decline of punch card and paper tape, interaction via teletype style keyboards become the main input devices for computer. Despite the development of alternative input devices such as the mouse, touch screen, pen devices, character recognition and face recognition, the keyboard remains the most commonly used and most versatile device used for direct input to computers. There are two types of keyboards: wired keyboards. Wired keyboards are attached to a computer through some cable, which can be a P2P or a USB cable. And wireless keyboards, it interacts over Bluetooth wireless technology, and unlike its wired version, it has no USB connectors or ports. The next input device is mouse. A mouse is a pointing device that functions by detecting two-dimensional motion relative to its supporting surface. Physically, a mouse consists of an object held under one of its user's hand with one or more buttons. It sometimes features other elements such as wheels, which allow the user to perform various system-dependent operations, or extra buttons or features that can add more control or dimensional input. The mouse motion typically translates into the motion of a cursor on display, which allow for fine control of a graphical user interface. Mouse can also be of two types: wired mouse and wired mouse. Wired mouse are attached to computer through some cable, which can be a P2P or USB cable. And wired mouse, it interacts over Bluetooth wired technology, and unlike its wired version, it has no USB connector or ports. The next input device is game controller or joystick. A joystick is an input device consisting of a stick that pivots on a base and report its angle or direction to the device it is controlling. Joysticks are often used to control video games and usually have one or more push buttons whose state can also be read by computer. A popular variation of a joystick used on modern video game console is an analog stick. The next input device is a scanner. An image scanner, often abbreviated to just scanner, is a device that optically scans images, printed text, handwritten, or any object and converts it into a digital image. Common examples found in offices are variations of desktop or flashbed scanners, where the document is placed on a glass window for scanning. Handheld scanners, where the device is moved by hand, have evolved from desk scanning vans. The next input device is digital camera. A digital camera or digicam is a camera that takes video or still photographs or both digitally by recording images via an electronic image sensor. Most 21st century cameras are digital. Digital cameras can do things film cameras cannot, displaying images on screen immediately after they are recorded, storing thousands of images on a small memory device, and deleting images to free storage space instantly. The other input devices are microphone. A microphone, also called a mic, is an acoustic to electric transducer or sensor that converts sound into an electric signal. In 1876, Emily Berliner invented the first microphone used as a telephone voice transmitter. And in the last, touchpad. A touchpad, also called trackpad, is a pointing device consisting of specialized surfaces that can translate the motion and position of a user's finger to a relative position on screen. They are a common feature of laptop computers and also used as a substitute for a computer mouse where desk space is scarce.